How to see who viewed your public profile on Snapchat. Hello everyone, I am Bishaka and welcome to our channel Create, Login and Delete. I will take you through the step-by-step process on how to see who viewed your public profile on Snapchat. Now let's get right into the tutorial. Firstly, make sure that you are using an updated version of Snapchat. Now go ahead and open the Snapchat application and make sure you are logged in. If not, then go ahead and log yourself in by entering your login credentials, that is, your username and your password. Now tap on your profile icon on the top right of your screen. You will then see the option for My Public Profile. Tap on that and then tap on the preview button you see on the right side of the screen. Now, Snapchat does not allow users to see who viewed their public profile, as Snapchat has always been placed a strong emphasis on users' privacy, and it does not typically disclose the identities of users who viewed your profile or your stories. So, as of now, you cannot see who viewed your public profile on Snapchat. However, if Snapchat launches any feature as such in the future, then we will come up with the tutorial for the same, so stay tuned. If you find this tutorial helpful, please make sure to like the video and do subscribe to our channel for more contents like this. Thank you for staying with us until the end.